Welcome to our channel. In today's video, the top 5 radiator stop leaks to fix your coolant leaks fast in 2025. Whether you're dealing with minor drips or serious leaks, these products can save you time and money. Don't miss out on our top picks for fast, effective solutions. Links to all the products are in the description. Let's dive right in and find the best fix for your ride. Number 5. Bars Leaks 1186. Liquid aluminum stop leak is a reliable and cost-effective solution for fixing common cooling system issues. This 16.9 Oz formula is designed to seal radiator leaks, freeze plug leaks, and heater core leaks with impressive efficiency. It's also effective in repairing gasket leaks, helping prevent costly repairs down the line. A major benefit is its ability to lower water temperature, improving your engine's cooling performance. The product is easy to use and works with all types of antifreeze. Its lightweight build, 12.8 ounces, and compact size, 1.3 6.6 inches, make it convenient to keep on hand in your vehicle or garage. It's a go-to product for many automotive professionals. One user even notes, "I always buy them for use in the shop." That's a solid vote of confidence in its consistency and performance. The liquid aluminum formula flows easily and targets leaks without clogging, which sets it apart from lower quality alternatives. Whether you're dealing with a minor leak or trying to avoid an expensive mechanic visit, this product offers quick and dependable results. For anyone needing a fast-acting, dependable radiator stop leak, Bars Leaks 1186 is a top choice worth considering. Number 4. Bars Leaks 09 Liquid Copper Block Seal is a powerful one-step solution for sealing coolant leaks in your vehicle's cooling system. Made from sodium silicate, this 18 Oz product is designed to permanently fix leaks in radiators, intake manifolds, head gaskets, heater cores, and freeze plugs without the need to drain your coolant. This formula is anti-freeze compatible and works with all traditional and extended life coolants, including silicate and non-silicate based antifreezes in a wide range of colors. The liquid glass technology penetrates both small and large leaks in metal and plastic components, while fiber additives lock together to reinforce the seal for long-lasting results. With a compact size of 7.2.6 by 2.6 inches and a convenient pour-and-go application, it's extremely easy to use. Just pour it directly into your radiator and you're done. It's safe for all cooling systems when used as directed. Users praise it for its fast-acting, reliable performance. One reviewer shared, "Worked great for me. I had a small leak in my radiator and this product worked. Really easy to use and fast-acting." If you're looking for a quick, effective, and permanent fix for coolant leaks, Bars Leaks 1109 Liquid Copper Block Seal is a top-tier choice. Number 3. Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak is a high-quality cooler additive designed to quickly and effectively seal leaks in your vehicle's cooling and heating systems. Packaged in a sleek silver 250 ml container and weighing just 11.2 ounces, this product is compatible with a wide range of vehicles from cars, trucks, and motorcycles to tractors, ATVs, lawnmowers, and even buses. What sets this product apart is its fast-acting formula. It seals leaks immediately upon use, protecting your engine's combustion chamber from damage caused by coolant entering sensitive areas. It works well in systems with or without water filters, making it incredibly versatile and easy to use. Application is straightforward, just pour it into the coolant reservoir. One satisfied user shared, "Very helpful, stopped my coolant leak. Just poured it into the plastic reservoir and drove for 25 minutes. Next day checked, no leak. Great product." This kind of feedback highlights how reliable and user-friendly the product is, even for those without mechanical experience. Whether you're looking to stop a minor leak or prevent a major repair, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak is a trusted, effective solution that delivers rapid results while extending the life of your cooling system. A smart investment for vehicle maintenance. Number 2. Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak 150 ml is a high-performance cooler additive designed to seal minor leaks in your vehicle's radiator and cooling system. Known for German engineering and quality, Liqui Moly delivers another reliable product that's simple to use and effective in stopping coolant loss. This product comes in a compact 150 ml plastic bottle with a twist-on cap, weighing just 0.21 kilograms. Despite its small size, it's powerful, engineered to work quickly and prevent potential engine damage by sealing leaks in a safe and efficient manner. Its compatibility with most cooling systems makes it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, and other vehicles. A key thing to note is that one bottle treats up to 8 liters of coolant, which may not be enough for larger systems. One user shared, "Put it on my Jeep. Seems to work. Only consideration, one bottle is for 8 liters of coolant. My system is 3 gallons. I should have bought more." This highlights the importance of checking your system's capacity before purchase. For those needing a quick, no-hassle solution to small leaks, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak 150 mmol is a trustworthy option. Just make sure you have enough on hand based on your coolant system's volume. Number 1. K-Seal ST5516 is a powerful, professional-grade coolant leak repair designed for heavy-duty vehicles and large engines. This 16 Oz bottle offers a one-step pour-and-go solution that works in minutes to permanently seal leaks in radiators, head gaskets, freeze plugs, engine blocks, heater cores, and water pumps. Its unique formula actively seeks out holes and cracks without compromising engine cooling efficiency. One of the standout features is its ease of use, no draining or flushing required. Simply shake the bottle, pour it into the coolant system, and drive as usual. It mixes with all types of antifreeze, making it highly versatile for commercial, agricultural, and industrial vehicles. Trusted by mechanics worldwide, K-Seal delivers durable, non-corrosive protection that won't clog your cooling system. It's independently tested to meet ASTM D3147 standards, underscoring its reliability and effectiveness. A satisfied user shared, "Works as advertised, fantastic product, succeeded where bars leaks failed. 1990 F250 Yvaz Ford 60 and constant coolant leak front of head below thermostat. Stopped leak within 5 minutes of adding product to radiator. Would definitely purchase again." For anyone needing a fast, reliable, and permanent fix for stubborn coolant leaks in heavy-duty engines, K-Seal ST5516 is a smart and cost-effective choice. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 radiator stop leaks to fix your coolant leaks fast in 2025. We hope this helps you find the perfect solution to keep your engine running smooth and leak-free. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all the products we covered. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great automotive tips.